All right, welcome back to Adam Versus. Today, I'm kind of excited. As you can see, I have some old uh, headphones here, and these are my current headphones that I have that I use for whatever it is. Either it's watching things online, gaming, just random things I use for the computer. So as you can see, they're this is a Logitech. I don't like this one at all. I barely used them. This is one I got free with my computer, the Roxel ER202s. Got those free. And these are, I hate to say it, but these are actually my favorite. These are the cheapest ones I can find. I like buying things because they don't cost a lot. And for these, I actually like them because they're so lightweight. They're not big, heavy, over the ear, and I can hear other things outside of what I'm listening to on computer. So, but yeah, this is what I'm getting rid of. I'm not going to use these anymore, so I'll get rid of these. And this is what I bought to replace them. The Steelseries Arctis 3. I chose these because they are inexpensive. They were $39. The majority of the ones I seen that were comparable were $60 to $100 comparably. You can use these for the PC, the Switch, the Xbox, PS4. Has on-ear controls, Windows Sonic Ready, clear cast mic. So that's the mic there. And here's the back of the box. Yeah, so there's a little bit of this side. And I'm hoping I'll like these. I liked the price. That's the biggest selling point for me. I was able to feel a pair when I bought them. I bought them at Best Buy, and they had a rack with them all sitting out. So I was able to touch and feel, and I liked what I felt. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Let me grab my knife. And let's go ahead and open here. I think I got it. Yep. It's kind of in there. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. Just set that aside. And I think it just pulls right out of there. It actually might be upside down. Let's do it the other way. There we go. Oops. So, yeah. Alright, so it looks like there is multiple plug-in jacks. Oh, this must be an extension. All right, and then this is the extension jack and the plug-in. Let's see here. Yeah, so these are like a cloth. It's not like a leather or like a rubber type. It's like a cloth, so it's like soft. Almost like a lens cleaning cloth, it feels like. And it has controls. It looks like it has a mute. There's the jack where the power cord goes in. I'm assuming it charges it and then you don't need it. I don't know if it's wireless or not. I didn't see it on the box. Yeah, I don't think it's wireless, so you'd have to use the wire, the cord. Here's where the mic comes out. But there's nothing else in there. There's a card on the back. I don't know what this is about. Oops, kind of bent it. It says, "Love it." Let's open this up and see what this is. Okay, we are thrilled you are enjoying your SteelSeries product. Share your experience by writing an online review. Blah, blah, blah. So, hate it? No, love it. So I don't know whether I love it or hate it yet. So, we'll have to plug these in and try them out and then give you a little review of what I think about them. I will do that here in a minute. Alright, I got the headphones all hooked up. They're fairly comfortable. They are a little bit more bulky than the old ones that I was using. For obvious reasons, they're a lot bigger. I can feel the bass in these ones, and the sound is a lot better quality. I don't think that they'll be like as good as like high-end ones, but for somebody that just needs a set to get started with or that, I do notice that it's a little hard to talk, because it does cancel out a lot of sound, which is good if you want to hear whatever it is you're listening to or playing. But let's do a quick game here, and I'll see how it see how it responds. I will say I hooked up the mic, and I was gonna use the mic, but there seems to be a little feedback, so I'm just gonna use my regular blue snowball mic. It seems a lot easier to do that anyways. I'm used to it. So I'm gonna ready up here. I'm gonna let you try and hear some of this through the mic. Let's see if you can hear it. So it's
Lady McKendrick may be at a
like
higher
super
class
loud,
than you are used to mixing with.
like Bose or something like
Bruno,
that,
my
like
French
Beats or
friend.
something, but it's
The
fairly
lady will
good
be so
for
lost in my eyes and enthralled in my tales.
$39.
She will not even notice when I make my
Fairly
move.
well. There's probably an echo, but let's skip this. I want to hear how the gunshots and all that sound. we can get to it. It did take me a little bit to get the mic set up, or the headphones set up.
Scarlet!
Yeah,
I
these are
really hope
very
you didn't
loud.
die. I'm sure we just got separated, accidentally.
These are very
I do not
loud.
know why, but somehow we escaped being turned into monsters, like everyone else on board.
Oh my god, I shot him. Well, I just wanted to do a test anyways, but if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Also, leave any comments or things that you want to see me maybe unbox or do in the future. And of course, if you want to see some more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. But thanks for watching.